Corsair RM1200x Shift, tame cable chaos, and power your RTX 5090 rigs effortlessly. Ever felt like your PSU cables are plotting a mutiny, twisting into knots and blocking every attempt at a clean build, leaving you sweating in frustration over a tangled mess that kills the build buzz? That blocked vibe when connections hide in shadows, turning upgrades into epic struggles, can zap the joy from your PC dreams. If this cable conundrum hits too close in your ATX setup, drop a comment. What's your wildest wiring woe? Let's brainstorm how side interface modular magic could untangle it all. Now escalate the hassle. Deadlines for streaming setups looming as stress mounts from noisy fans during late-night renders. Burnout hitting hard when transient spikes from PCI Express 5.1 GPUs crash your flow without warning. But glimpse a cheeky fix. Corsair RM1200x Shift's 80+ gold efficiency, teasing silent control, SMS the chaos of stiff adapters or overheating drama. If you're battling these power pitfalls in your high-wattage rig, this fully modular whisper might just steer you towards smoother sails. Behold the Corsair RM1200x Shift, your sly breakthrough in PSU prowess that flips the script with a side-mounted modular panel for effortless cable swaps before case insertion, packing 1200 watt of ATX 3.1 compliant surge handling via a native 12-volt 2x6 connector that laughs off RTX spikes up to 235%. Picture a harried builder, fingers fumbling in a dim micro ATX shroud, suddenly clicking everything home pre-install. The cool click of micro-fit connectors evoking that intuitive spark of victory, narrative knots unraveling into a hypnotic flow of organized bliss. Its 135mm magnetic levitation fan idles in 0 RPM silence under 40% load, while 105 degrees Celsius Japanese capacitors hum reliability through 92% efficient deliveries, all in a 4.4-pound ATX frame that's future-proof for PCI Express 5.1 dreams. Sensory delight surges with every stable volt, a playful nudge toward pro-grade intuition. Experts dub the Shift design a quality-of-life revolution, perfect for cramped builds. Lightly controversial, why endure backpanel blind dates when this side shift gem mocks the old guard? Here's a mini reward. Stick around for the bonus tip on chaining extensions for ultimate airflow wins. If GPU power wobbles nag your sessions, this could shift your game. Comment Shift to grab that exclusive ripple suppression hack inside. Delve into the delights. Corsair RM1200x Shift amps efficiency with its tight voltage regulation, laser focusing your builds for peak performance amid overclocks, where the 0 RPM mode crafts whisper quiet havens that sharpen creative edges. One tech influencer beamed, saved hours in my compact rig. Plugging cables pre-slide was a game changer for that 5090 beast, stirring the subtle thrill of airflow kissing components like a gentle breeze over silk. Analysts spotlight its ATX 3.1 edge as a market leader, pressuring rivals with 10-year warranty peace, while users nod, flawless with 9950X and 7900X DX. No whine, just stable gold. Rhetorically, who skips that satisfying snap of fully modular micro-fits banishing clutter? Fit fears in tight cases? Its 7-inch profile reinforces the UVP, outshining bulkier foes in real build agility. Thousands chatter about the modern standby zip-waking rigs and blinks. See the hype. The magnetic fan's levitation adds a futuristic hum, morphing chores into cheeky conquests. Lightly humorous, it's like your PSU hit the gym and learned yoga for cable zen. Which trick, like the PCI Express 5.1 native cable or silent mode, would power your day? Comment below for a secret fan curve tweak that elevates your sensory silence. Supply chains are shifting fast on the Corsair RM1200x Shift, limited stocks vanishing amid 5,090 hype. So sync with hordes who've harnessed its 1200-watt gold efficiency for spike-proof stability, as one reviewer affirmed. Exemplary performance, ready for next-gen demands. No more waiting. Lock in yours today via flash deals and feel the surge. Click now to unlock that exclusive modern standby guide. making low-load efficiency absurdly snappier. Don't just watch. Plug in and empower your empire today.